Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So, you install Gemini on your Android phone and it just doesn't work, it crashes, it won't respond, or even the voice input fails. This is especially frustrating when you are trying to use it as your daily assistant. Most Android issues come down to permissions, cache, or account conflicts. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to fix them, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first thing first, you want to go and check the microphone permissions. Voice input won't work without permission. So you have to go through settings, apps, Gemini, permissions, microphone, and make sure it's totally allowed. If another app is using the microphone, you will see an error like unable to initiate Gemini because another app is using the microphone. Make sure you clear the app cache and data as well. Corrupted cache causes random failures, so you must go through settings, apps, Gemini, storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. If that doesn't work, try clearing the data. This resets the app but doesn't delete your account at all. Then you can easily reboot your phone. About now, you should go and update the Google apps. Outdated apps cause conflicts, so update the Gemini app, the Google app, and Google Play services from the Play Store. After updating, restart your phone. Then go and check the Google Maps conflict. If Gemini doesn't work while driving, Google Maps is likely hijacking the microphone. Open Maps, profile icon, settings, look for navigation settings, Google Assistant, and turn off Hey Google. And that's the whole idea. You can also turn the battery saver if you want to. That's it. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video.